Obviously, there's no signal out here.
Oh.
April 9th, 2014. 5 days since the wreck. This morning, a seagull flew by and stole a piece of Spam from off my breakfast plate. Then he swallowed it as he was flying away. Of course, he died immediately. April 11th, 2014. 7 days since the wreck. Spending all this time on the raft has made me feel a bit off. I see things. I hear things. Mostly water. I just hope I don't turn into one of those people who says everything he writes down out loud, even though there's no one around to hear it. Those people are nuts.
Ahoy there!
I feel like no one will ever find me.
Ahoy, my say!
I'm completely alone.
You there, on the raft!
No one will come. Someone's here. Someone's here! Hello! Hello! Help me! I'm stuck on this raft. Won't you help?
Calm yourself, my boy. We'll be taking you on board. We will.
Thank you, thank you. I would have died out here, but who are you?
You're in luck, boy. You've been rescued by the finest flock of sailors ever to roam the seas.
As long as you have a bathroom.
The boldest band of buccaneers west of Constantinople.
I think it's Istanbul.
We be
It should be.
the pirates in short tops.
Yes, it's a good day for singing a song, and it's a good day for moving along. Yes, it's a good day, how could anything go wrong? A good day from morning till night. Yes, it's a good day for shining your shoes, and it's a good day for losing the blues. And you've got everything to gain and not a thing to lose, 'cause it's a good day from morning till night. I said to the sun, good morning, sun. Rise and shine today. You know you've got to get it going if you're going to make a showing. And you've got the right of way. So it's a good day for paying your bills. And it's a very good day for curing your ills. So take a deep breath and throw away your bills. A good day for living, a good day for giving, a good day for wishing, and maybe some fishing. A good day from morning till night, till night.
I think I'll stay on the raft.
Edgewater, abandon raft matey, and join our company. The hour be late, and land be very far.
All right, fine. It can't be worse than the seagulls.
Welcome aboard the Black Rock. My name be Garba, and I be captain of this motley lot.
Captain Garba.
Listen, it's Garba. It's something in the back of the throat.
Garba.
It's okay. We'll work on it. And so, who might you be, my lost traveler?
My name's James Carr.
James Carr. Excellent. Carr.
Let's not do that again.
Agreed. All right, me hearties. That spoke of Mr. Carr, aboard with a rousing pirate shanty.
Hey there, say there, listen if you can. You're about to hear the story of a crazy, man. I just saw a maniac, crazy man, maniac. While the staring is there, and yelling something about a girl. Me, oh my, lost the girl. Man, oh man, you should have been there, When we asked the girl's whispered description, he just answered all of us with this conviction. 5'2", eyes no blue, but oh, what those 5 foot could do. Has anybody seen my girl, my girl? I've seen her turned up nose, turned down nose, flapper, yes sir, one of those. Has anybody seen my girl? My old girl, now if you run into a 5'2", covered with fur, she's got diamond rings and all those things, bet your life it isn't her. Could she love, could she woo, could she coo? Has anybody seen my girl? Now if you run into the 5'2", all covered with fur, and she's got diamonds and all those things, and bet your life it isn't her. What could she love? Could she woo? And could she coo? Has anybody seen my girl? Where's my baby? Anybody seen my little sweet girl? Anyone seen my girl?
I feel like your songs are strangely out of character.
I don't know what you mean, matey. Why don't we introduce you to the rest of the crew? You already be knowing me.
Captain Garby.
Welcome aboard, Mr. Carr. I be Arthur, first mate of the Black Rock.
I'm Charles, the seventh mate.
The second mate.
The seventh mate.
Oh, that sounds like a rough job.
You have no idea.
And now the rest.
I be Carl.
I'm Mark.
I'm Arby. And Darby. Carter. Richard.
No, Richard, like we practiced.
Oh, sorry.
Richard. I be Edward. Clarence. Leonard.
Hi, I'm Kevin.
Kevin missed the memo.
And who's that?
That be Sleepy Pete.
Why is he called Sleepy Pete? Never mind.
Well, we all be friends, so let's set sail and be away. Mr. Arthur, move that thing. Mr. Carter, lift that other thing. Raise your voices, boys, let's hear a song.
Long Island Jazz Age parties, way true again. When everything old is new again. Get out your white suit, your top hat and tails. Let's go backward when forward fails. But leave Greta Garbo. Be a movie star on your own. Don't throw the past away. You might need it some rainy day. Dreams can come true again. When everything old is new again. Everything old is new again. Had one fellow. Dreams can come true again. When everything old is new again. Yeah, everything old is new. New again. Old St. Louis, you and I, sitting on the levee watching time roll by. Mother sings to baby a soft, sweet lullaby. In the evening, you Gateway City, remember the fair. Don't it almost seem like we're still there? Ragtime melodies floating in the cool night air. Down by the river, steamboats with cotton and sugar cane. Banjos strumming away. Gaslights winking down a sleepy lane. We'll show you a glimpse of yesterday. St. Louis woman, you know I'll be true. No shiny new city's gonna take me from you. You've got my love, old St. Louis, you do. My old St. Louis. You got my love, St. Louis. St. Louis, old St. Louis, my St. Louis, you.
I've been 3 weeks on the ship now. The weather's generally been good. Although there's a strangely large amount of singing, the company's good.
Mr. Carr, why do you think pirates are so mean?
Why?
I don't know, because they just are.
Mr. Carr, do you know what a pirate's favorite wine is?
I don't know.
It'd be a nice Chardonnay.
I think
Do you know what a pirate's favorite vegetable is?
oh, I've got this one. The artichoke.
No,
Why, artichoke?
What a weirdo.
I'm starting to fit right in. I have noticed one strange daily tradition, though.
It be time.
Something in the way she moves attracts me like no other lover. Something in the way she woos me. I don't want to leave her now. You know I believe and somewhere in her smile she knows that I don't need no other lover. Something in her style that shows me I don't want to leave her now. You know I believe and you're asking me, will my love grow? I don't know, I don't know. You stick around and it may show. I don't know, I don't know. Something in the way she knows, and all I have to do is think of her. Something in the things she shows me. I don't want to leave her now. You know I believe in her. Something in the way she moves.
Every day, it was the same. Arby and Darby would practice sword fighting. Seventh mate Charles would swab the decks. Mark, Edward, and Kevin told pirate jokes.
Mr. Carr, do you know what a pirate's favorite letter is?
The R.
You would think that, but actually, it's the C.
The captain and the first mate would drink rum, and Sleepy Pete, well. And then, just after 2 o'clock, the pirate named Mark would say,
It be time!
and they would all sing a sad love song.
There's a closer surrender to the
This old lousy gang of thieves treating you well?
Yes, Captain, thank you. I do have one question, though.
Would it be, how do pirates know they're pirates?
They think, therefore they are.
Funny. But no. My question is about the song, the sad love song you sing at 2 every day. What's that all about?
Oh, that be a sad story. Poor Mark.
Mark, what about him?
Mark had a wife, a lady, the love of his life.
What was her name?
Arlene.
Of course.
But we were adrift, lost at sea, for many and many a day.
And Mark and Arlene were long separated. So each day, we sing a song in her honor.
What was Arlene like?
Have ye heard of Helen of Troy? The most beautiful woman in all of history? The face that launched 1,000 ships?
Aye! Yes, I have.
Well, if Helen of Troy had a bulldog, it would look just like Arlene. Her face launched 1,000 cannonballs right in her face. She was ugly, you see. Oh, you mean he's behind me?
How dare you insult my love? Rather, I think he insults Helen of Troy's bulldog.
I demand a duel.
Quiet, is the urgent. Boom and Mark. If it's a duel you be wanting, a duel ye shall have. But you're not the judge of the duels.
Not the judge of the duel.
You can't have a duel without the judge of the duels. Someone fetch the judge from below decks. In the meantime, let's hear a song to celebrate the impending battle.
When it's darkness on the delta, that's the time our Lord is mine. When it's darkness on the delta, let me linger in the shelter of the night. Fields of cotton all around
judge of the duels here yet?
The judge of the duels is here.
Mr. Carr, you might want to prepare yourself. The judge of the duels is a terrifying and imposing figure. Mr. Carr, this be Roberta Jean, the judge of the duels.
Roberta Jean?
Aye, but we call her RJ.
I don't get it. You're the judge of the duels? But you're so tiny.
Kill him! Just kidding. Bring on the duelers! Have you your weapons?
We do.
Wait, they're gonna fight? That's crazy.
Have you your courage?
Somebody stop them.
Have you your baritone?
We do.
Wait, what?
Good. I want a fair fight. No fighting, no attacking the eyes, and no choreography. Are you ready? Then let the duel begin. Draw, you barnacles.
Let's sing a song, let's ring a song, let harmony be true. Come join the crowd, sing along and loud like good chordbusters do. Let's bust a chord, let's blow the chord, a good old major chord with some good close harmony. Come on and join the fun, we'll bust a minor one as we warble merrily. We'll sing it through again and then we'll all chime in. It will make your heart feel light. You'll be lost tomorrow, but forget your sorrow while we bust apart tonight. Your little round face, come on and find your place. And tenor will be welcome, never fear. If you're a baritone, don't sit around alone. And lead is what we need right over here. Let's bust a chord or two, and then you'll know it's true that a song makes things go right. Put away your trouble, let your joy be double while we bust a chord tonight. While we bust a chord tonight.
And the winner is Pirate Mo!
All right, everyone, let's get straightened up. We still have our evening sing-along to make ready.
So, RJ, you don't mind me asking, what happened to your leg?
I was swimming in the ocean when a shark attacked. Knocked him out with one punch. Not before I took the leg.
And the hook?
Plus, we have the sword fight. You should see the other fellow now. He's got a hook for a head.
And what about your eye?
I was standing on the bow of the ship when a little seawater splashed in my eye.
Wait, you lost your eye to a little seawater?
Well, I wasn't quite used to the hook yet.
Down, doobie-doo, down, down. Down, 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 doobie-doo, down, down.